Welcome back, viewers. जी Sobia, we was talking about your field. मुझे ये बताएं, do women, your clients that come in, do they have these special demands? You know, especially when brides and things are happening, do they come and ask you for a particular look and particular style of clothes that they want to wear?
Certainly. You know, media is a very resourceful way these days, and girls are very well aware. There is every second day program on TV, and they keep on scanning good fashion magazines. So they come up with the terms कि जी contouring होनी चाहिए, highlighting होनी चाहिए. So they're quite educated. A lot of awareness. So I'm so happy कि whenever we give them a consultation, they confide, or that is why they come to us, no? Because nowadays the trend is that eyes should be more enhanced, there should be more work on eyes, and lips should be slightly on the palish side. So that is basically, it is in for the last many years. और अब लड़कियां बड़ी educate हो गई हैं. But some of them, still कि जी family में बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं, so they want to see a bride as a bride. Once she is on the stage, so she should not be looking like a model. So people have different choices.
वो आगे कहती होंगी फलानी एक्ट्रेस की तरह बना दें.
Yes, they have magazines in their hand कि जी ये है.
Idolize certain people.
Exactly, Cleopatra eyes, Bipasha Basu eyes. So it all depends. So we keep telling them कि it entirely depends on the face shape which you have. आपकी eye size है, your own features, their placing, their sizes. So we have to keep everything in mind. Plus the dress, आपका दुपट्टा, उसकी border कितना चौड़ा है, उसका fabric, what fabric has been used. So there are so many things which you have to keep in mind, and then you give them a suggestion.
You need a lot of patience in your field.
Oh yes, but I think I enjoy, giving them kind of a consultation, because that is how you make them feel comfortable before you start off with the work. Sometimes I do listen to them, but sometimes I convince them कि नहीं, I think this is the look.
You want them to look good.
Definitely, because she's a kind of my ambassador wherever she will go. Or agar if it is the look which is not in my mind or which I want, so that will not, the image is shattered, or wo phir it doesn't.
That's true. Coming back to a little bit of news, we have the first woman president. Fahmida Mirza, she's the acting president these days since Zardari is away, and she's also the first woman in the National Assembly.
National Assembly also.
So it's quite incredible.
That's a pride, Sabha, I must say, and inspiration for other women as well. And she's a role model, definitely. And it's a pride.
Do you feel that there's been a change over the years? More women have started coming out in the professional world, and
now that time is over. Actually, when one person, male member, was earning, and the rest of them were kind of depend कर रहे थे उसके ऊपर. Now everybody is in the family, like women, they have gone out. Even look at the low class families जो है, उनकी भी लड़कियां, the girls which we have, they are coming totally from uneducated backgrounds, but the way they are being polished, और जितनी उनको एक the kill to learn, that's a very positive sign. In the last 5-10 years, the women are.
अब families को खुद भी एहसास हो रहा है.
Definitely.
कि the girls will have to eventually go out and work and
maybe it is very minor contribution, but even then, if you want to improve upon the quality of living, that is very important. That women should also work, contribute जितना भी कर सकती है.
But in contrast, we've just spoken about women being emancipated and empowered. Father of Baloch woman reveals his FIR was trashed.
Right.
One of the girl's father tried to file an FIR, but nobody's filing
it. It is very sad, but Sabha, this is how this feudal system works. It is not this. I think this is not the first incident. NGOs are taken. Gee, there have been many incidents.
This has been more publicized
since decades, because that is what their tradition is, and I think it should totally be, these people should be hanged properly. But these are the basically political influential families, so government cannot put hands on them. And I was reading the other day that IG Balochistan was really in a fix because they can't reach these families, and but I'm so happy that
even if they can reach these families, you have sitting senators who are defending this, who are saying it is part of our tribal system.
True, but I think illiteracy is the only reason. We have to improve the literacy rate there, so that they should, इस चीज को खत्म किया जाए.
That is true. किसी तरह तो इसे खत्म करना पड़ेगा.
Definitely.
On that note, Sobhi, I need to take another break here. We'll be right back.